There are three gates to self-destruction and hell: lust, anger, greed. A man is made by his beliefs. As he believes, so he becomes. The key to happiness is the reduction of desires. Do everything you have to do, but not with ego, not with lust, not with envy, but with love, compassion, humility, and devotion. For one who has conquered his mind, a mind is best of friends, but for one who has failed to do so, a mind is the greatest enemy. Happiness is a state of mind that has nothing to do with the external world. Why do you worry unnecessarily? Whom do you fear? Who can kill you? The soul is neither born nor dies. Whatever happened was good. What's happening is going well. Whatever will happen will also be good. Do not worry about the future. Live in the present. Set your heart upon your work, but never its reward. The only way you can conquer me is through love, and there I am gladly conquered. When a person responds to the joys and sorrows of others as though they were his own, he or she has attained the highest spiritual union. Among all kind of killers, time is the ultimate because time kills everything. Calmness, gentleness, silence, self-restraint, and purity, these are the disciplines of the mind. Perform your obligatory duty, because action is indeed better than inaction. The mind is fickle. It won't obey you every time the mind misbehaves. Use your discretionary intellect to bring it back to the equanimous position.